You're in sales, you might be dialing every single day, working early at night, texting and emailing, and you're not finding success. As a matter of fact, I found myself in those same shoes with my team when I tried an experiment last week, and what happened at the end of the week was crazy because I was not expecting it. My name's Acez Academy, and I've been selling for the last decade in phone sales and a decade before in street sales, business to business. And now I consult companies across the country. I have a Sales Academy, Leadership Academy, and a Masterclass for mortgages. If you need anything, we got you there. And today I'm gonna be going over how to maximize your business when you're in a sales slump. So I try and experiment with my team. They typically get 10 to 15 leads a day and people are not finding success. So I turn on my lead flow to 1 to 5 leads a day that are coming in. These are lead buys that fill out information online and they get to us and we call them and text them and try to get them on the phone. Monday comes around, I come in early, I dial them, I text them, I email them, I leave voicemails in the morning, I do it again in the evening, no success. Tuesday, no success. Wednesday, no success. Thursday, no success. Friday, no success. Even on Saturday, from my home office, I log in the morning, I say, I'm gonna catch these people on Saturday, it's a weekend, let me get them. No success. 6 days. And I'm thinking to myself, what am I doing wrong? Is it the leads? Is my lead quality not good? Are my team members that are here at my brokerage correct that, hey, the leads are not good or there's no success and they're really working their hardest? What's really going on? And then Sunday came around and I wasn't planning on working on Sunday at all, but I said, you know what? I don't want to accept defeat. Let me just mingle around and try. I literally told my wife, hey, give me about 5-10 minutes. I'm just gonna check in on my computer. I went to my computer and I went to my last 6 days leads from Monday to Saturday, the ones that I just told you I found no success with trying twice a day. And I clicked on all of them, select all, and I hit auto dial and I started dialing through them. I said, follow my lead, hit up news, catch up on conversation, send a Sunday blast. Happy Sunday, let's schedule some time to talk tomorrow. The first one went to voicemail. I'm like, here we go again. It's about to be a Sunday with no success. Didn't even leave a voicemail, hung up. I'm about to leave my desk. As the second one's ringing, they pick up the phone. I'm like, oh, snap. Hey, it's Acez Academy with you. Just checking up on you on a Sunday. I wasn't able to catch you all week. Yeah, I was interested in blah, 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 blah. Brennan, how's it going today, sir?
Good, good. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. I got your inquiry for some cash out options.
Oh, yes.
Been doing this for over a decade. I worked at Rocket Mortgage for over 8 years, and now I'm on the broker side. I work with over 100 lenders. I could get it done faster for you. So trust me, this is not a call you want to skip on. I've been doing this for a long time, and I could definitely help you. How much cash did you need? Let me just show you what's possible. Boom, quick pivot, took control. This ends up being a loan. Not upset that I called them on Sunday, because a lot of people think that people get upset on Sundays. Like, no, you're checking in on them on a Sunday. You're sacrificing your time to check up on them. Worst case scenario, you'll schedule another follow-up appointment. But Sunday they'll answer. And this guy answered, ended up getting that deal. Now I'm like, all right, let me keep going. Third dial, no answer. Fourth dial, boom, answer, got a deal. Fifth call, boom, answer, got a deal. Fifth call, another person answers. Hello, Rachel, how's it going today?
Oh, come on.
Happy Sunday. My name's Acez Academy. I know it's early there, so thanks for taking my call. I got your inquiry on some cash. This is 5 a.m. in Hawaii, by the way, that I called on accident. Cash out options, and I wanted to make sure that I help you out. You looking for cash out or monthly savings, I guess?
In Hawaii.
Pivot, take control. This one ends up being a reverse mortgage. Text messages, I sent out a blast, started getting them back. Email, sent it out, started getting them back. My business is popping. After an hour and 20 minutes, I did 4 deals on a Sunday, thinking that my job, my leads, I was the issue for 6 days and I was in a slump. And then one day on Sunday, just consistently doing the right things and trying again on Sunday, changed the whole trajectory of my week. And I came in on Monday with momentum, and now I'm rolling this week as well. I look around at the team to see who's like green on Microsoft Teams, because that's what we used to communicate. Nobody's on Sunday. There's people that have 0 deals, people that have 1 deal, people that have 2 deals for the month. And look, I'm not saying work 7 days a week and work your tail off. Unless you have to and you're really hungry, then do that if you can. I didn't have to work it. I was just trying to make sure that the proof of concept was there. Is it the leads or is there something going on? On Sunday, you have to understand people are available. Most of the time they're off work. Most of the time they're at peace. Most of the time they can answer. Most of the time they don't expect a call, so they answer more calls. So Sunday was a day that I figured out, okay, I could get more business on this day. Another thing to keep in mind, if you're like, well, I don't want to work on Sundays, take a Thursday off and leverage that Sunday. It could get you a lot more business, and you could do all your personal errands on a Thursday. And then also keep in mind, I only worked an hour and 20 minutes on this Sunday. I didn't work 10 hours that day. I went in there for an hour and 20 minutes, and I made more money than I possibly make in a week in an hour and 20 minutes. Why? Because it was Sunday. So there's a lot of takeaways that you could take from this. Number one, if you're really hungry, are you trying everything out there? Early mornings, late nights, weekends, are you trying everything? Because in sales, timing is important. Number two, if you were ever in a slump, don't give up. Keep up the right habits and the consistency, and you might have one day in sales where you pop off and things start going well in your business. But imagine I would have said like,
this job and these leads, and came in Monday like this and said, oh, here we go again, another week. Here we go again, Tuesday. Here we go again, Wednesday.
and these salespeople end up in these slumps forever because they're not trying to change the pattern. They're not trying to break the pattern. They're accepting their fate. And if you remember, I woke up on Sunday and I said, I'm not going to accept the defeat. I'm going to go out swinging. And because I went out swinging, Sunday happened to be my lucky day where I caught 4 deals. What are you going to do on next Sunday is my question to you. Like, subscribe, and share this channel with anybody you love, because we're doing this for you even on a Sunday. It's the Aces.